Some exciting news for Kaizer Chiefs if they are still interested in Fiston Mayele. So indaba iphuma khona-ke laphana zikhishwe nguye-ke uMickey Jr on X is that the player will leave Pyramids FC when his contract expires. Kuthiwa-ke the two parties are yet to agree on a new deal. So if-ke lokho kuyiqiniso-ke ukuthi uyashiya, this could present an opportunity for teams like Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bamsayine-ke lo mdlali as a free agent. The stumbling block right now I think Kaizer Chiefs could face if they are still interested in him is that ama-reports athi-ke teams from Saudi Arabia are also looking at the situation. So if you are competing with those teams, it is very tough ukuthi-ke ulithole player because they pay a lot of money. With Umayele being 31 years of age, naye-ke sekayabona ukuthi career yakhe sizophela. He has left with like 4 years. He could be looking at making more money. So lokho kungapresenta-ke a stumbling block for amakhosi ukuthi-ke bakwazi-ke ukuthi bamthole lo mdlali. However, if the player is still interested like he was before in playing in South Africa, mhlambe-ke angaba prefera-ke bona-ke amakhosi in terms of instead of these teams from Saudi Arabia. For now, Fiston Mayele is focusing on DR Congo as they are going to play in the FIFA World Cup, and Naye is part of the team.